Rotator setting on MECHA C1. If you find that your MECHA rotates more than, or less than 360 degrees, when it should rotate exactly 360 degrees, this behavior is a common issue with a quick resolution. The most likely explanation is that the rotator is not set correctly. We are referring to the rotator connected to the C1 controller. Therefore, if you know the rotator type, you need to enter the corresponding code on the C1 controller as follows. 23131 and the left button to set E1 as the preferred rotator. 23132 and the left button to set E2 as the preferred rotator. 23121 and the left button to set P1 as the preferred rotator. However, if you are unsure about the rotator type, you can try each code, then launch a 90-degree rotation. Press the left arrow button, then quickly button 2, and if the rotation is indeed 90 degrees, the rotator is correctly set. Alternatively, you can contact your dealer or MECHA at nodalninja.com for more information or help identifying the type of rotator you use. Once the rotator is correctly set, power on MECHA and wait until the LEDs are off and you hear 2 beeps. Then, enter the following code using the controller buttons, 131. This is a hard code for a test of 6 shots around. Then, press the right button to specify a rightward rotation, or the left button to specify a leftward rotation. The first and last positions should be identical if the controller is correctly set. Note that the rotator can also be set on the configuration page by selecting the rotator type from a list. Then, tap the Apply button at the bottom of the page. Thank you for watching.